Okay, how do we find the slope of a line? Great question. Well, first off, let's take some points, and let's go to that formula we just had. M being the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now what I want to do is go up here to these points right here. This is the y1, x1, y2, x2. Because remember, x, y, x comes first in the alphabet, so it's written that way. Well, let's kind of plug it in. A little bit different plug-in song for us there. And notice, what did I do? I color coordinated the letters. x1, -2, y1, 0, x2, 3, y1, y sub 2, 1. So I can just plug them in. 1 minus 0, 3 minus -2, 1 minus 0 is 1, and 3 minus -2 is like 3 plus 2, which is 1/5. So the slope is 5th. Sometimes you'll hear slope as rise over run. It's going to go up 1 and over 5 to the right, to the positive side there. All right, so let's check out that next one. Notice the colors. Okay, same thing, y2, I'm going to put 2 minus that 2 on top, and this 2 minus -1. Well, 2 minus 2 is going to be 0, and 2 minus -1 is going to be like 2 plus 1, which is 0 over 3, which is the same thing as a 0 slope completely for that. All right, so makes the slope 0 if you have a 0 in the numerator. All right, and then let's look at this next one. I have -1 minus 4 over 1 minus 0. All right, well, what's 1 minus -4 will be a -5 over 1. So my slope is -5 over 1. I can leave it like that because it's a slope, because you always want to have a rise over run, meaning it went down 5 and over 1 to the right. Or you could write it -5. But just know that if you have numbers like this here, if you're talking about slope, you could also put these, actually 0 over 3 is the same as 0 over 1, and -5 would be the same as -5 over 1 when trying to work some problems out. That's how you would find the slope of a line.